Welcome to all the students here. Science topic. Today we'll study about the power generation plant based on energy of natural gas. In this plant, you will see the flow chart here. Compressor is there for filling air. So now in this plant, a turbine is rotated with the help of gas at very high temperature and pressure generated by the combustion of natural gas. Means this is the combustion chamber. Now, in this combustion chamber, natural gas is filled with high pressure and temperature. This natural gas is burned by giving air, pressurized air, because air helps to burn the gas. Now, it produces the heat energy. This gas is burned and it produces kinetic energy. Due to burning of natural gas, this kinetic energy is used for the turbines. Now, here gas turbine is there and this gas turbine is connected to the generator and generator produces the electric energy. This is the flow chart for this plant. The schematic diagram is also given here. See, fuel, combustion chamber. This is the combustion chamber. In this combustion chamber, air is filled with the help of compressor and natural gas, yes, is filled here. So there are three main sections in this type of plant. Pressurized air is introduced into the combustion chamber. First, that is a pressurized air is introduced here using a compressor. In the combustion chamber, the natural gas burns here. Natural gas burns. This natural gas burns, it produces energy. Natural gas burns with presence of air. The gas at very high temperature and pressure generated in the chamber runs the turbines. Now you will see here, this is the turbine, gas turbine. So this gas turbine runs the hot gases emitted in this from the upper part, and the gas turbines rotates. The shaft of the turbines connected to the axle of the generator, and generator produces the electric energy, and this electric energy is transported. So this is the schematic diagram. Yes. Now let's see in detail how it works. What is the working? Because the efficiency of this type of generation plant is higher than that of a generation based on coal. Moreover, since the natural gas does not contain sulfur, burning of natural gas result in less pollution. So that's why it is a good energy source also for obtaining electricity. Let us see the next video. You will understand how the natural gas is used to produce the electric energy.
In this plant, the turbine is run by a gas at very high temperature and pressure generated by combustion of natural gas. Let us first understand this process with the help of a flowchart. Using a compressor, pressurized air is introduced into the combustion chamber. In the combustion chamber, natural gas burns in the presence of the air. The gas at very high temperature and pressure is generated in this chamber. The energy of this gas drives the turbine. The turbine then drives the generator to produce electricity. During this process, one form of energy gets converted into another form. Come, let us now see the step-by-step transformation of energy taking place in this process with the help of flowchart. Here, chemical energy in natural gas is converted into kinetic energy, which is generated due to combustion of natural gas. This energy is then converted into kinetic energy of the turbine, and finally the kinetic energy of the turbine is converted into electrical energy. Let us draw a schematic of power plant based on natural gas. Let us now name the parts. This block represents the supply of fuel. Another block next to it represents the combustion chamber. The arrow shown here is to depict air. This is a compressor, next to which there is a gas turbine which is connected to generator. The generator produces electrical energy. Above the gas turbine, there is another block which represents emission of hot gases. The arrows shown here depict the rotation of blades of gas turbine and generator. The efficiency of this type of power generation plant is higher than that of power generation plants based on coal. As natural gas does not contain sulfur, its burning results in less pollution. Some natural gas-based power plants, along with their approximate capacities, are given in this table. Always remember, though use of energy is unavoidable in our day-to-day life, it is our duty to use it carefully and only in the required amount. Come, let us now discuss about electric energy generation methods and problems associated with them in the electric energy generation and environment.
Now, some natural gas based power plants and their capacity. Plus, in the state of Andhra Pradesh, the capacity is 2620 is megawatt is located at Samarkota in Andhra Pradesh. In Maharashtra, Anjanvel, this gas plant having a capacity of 2220 megawatt. Then Delhi in India, yes, Bhavanna 1500 megawatt, and Andhra Pradesh one more plant is there, that Kondapalli. It produces 1466 megawatt of electric energy. So this is about the power generation based on natural gas. Now the next topic we'll see about electrical energy generation and environment.